The I/O window is where you can access all of the digital and analog signals for the controller. You can access the I/O window under the controller pull-down menu. Digital input and output signals represent hardware inputs and outputs to the controller. Soft signals represent internal bits that can be used by a GPL application. The digital and analog I/O are displayed on separate tabs. The states of all signals are updated in real time. For digital I/O, you can force a signal to be on or off by right-clicking on a signal and using the context menu to force the signal on or off. You can also use the context menu to clear the force state of a single signal or all signals of the selected type. All signal types can be forced on, off, or cleared using the I/O window.